Today, we're diving into a platform that's getting a ton of buzz as a real game changer for the creator economy. It's called July, and it's an operating system built to bring some serious order to the wild world of managing creative talent. So let's find out if it actually lives up to all that hype. Okay, let's be real. If you're a talent manager or you run a creator agency, does this look a little too familiar? You're trying to build careers and close massive deals, but instead you feel like you're just wrestling with spreadsheets and a dozen different apps that don't talk to each other. For way too many people, this isn't just a headache, it's the daily grind. And that struggle is so common, it deserves a name. We're calling it the creator agency chaos. It's kind of the default setting in an industry that's moving at lightning speed, while the software to support it has been lagging way, way behind. But what does that chaos actually feel like day to day? Well, it looks a lot like this. It's that monster spreadsheet with a million tabs that you're terrified is going to crash at any moment. It's digging through emails, texts, and DMs just to find that one crucial piece of information. It's the soul-crushing manual work of creating invoices and then having to chase down payments. It's all that admin that pulls you away from what you're actually great at, finding talent and making things happen. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be like this? The whole idea behind the tool we're looking at is pretty simple. Every single minute you waste on frustrating admin is a minute you're not spending on growth. And that lost time adds up, fast. So let's get to the proposed solution. Enter the July operating system, a platform designed from the ground up to take all that chaos and replace it with clarity and, most importantly, control. No, July isn't just another tool to add to your already crowded toolbox. No. It's positioning itself as your agency's central nervous system. It's a single AI-powered workspace that wants to pull every single part of your business together into one cohesive, intelligent platform. Okay, all-in-one platform sounds fantastic, but what does that actually mean in practice? Let's pop the hood and see exactly how it tackles those specific problems we just talked about. We can break it down into three main areas. First up, the lifeblood of any agency: deals. July gives you a smart CRM. Think of it like a visual pipeline to track every single stage of a deal, from the first email to the final payment. Plus, it has tools to help you pitch brands way more effectively, letting you build curated casting lists to streamline that whole journey from pitch to paid. Next, let's talk about how you present your talent to the world. You can forget about manually updating media kits every month. Seriously. Jolie creates these professional-looking media kits and pitch decks that automatically update with live analytics. That means you are always ready to go with the freshest stats with basically zero extra effort. And finally, the back office. All the stuff nobody really wants to do. This is where you'll see huge time savings. We're talking automated invoicing, handling even the most complicated commission splits without breaking a sweat, and managing payouts. It's all connected with a built-in calendar and task manager, so every campaign stays perfectly on track. Okay, so the features sound great on paper, but what about the real world? What kind of impact is this actually having for the agencies using it every day? Get this. Agencies using July are reporting they're saving dozens of hours every single week. Now think about what that really means for growing agency. That's like having a whole other person on your team. That's enough time to go out and sign 2 new creators a month. That's not just making things easier. It's a massive competitive advantage. And the feedback from actual users is just overwhelmingly positive. I love this first quote because it highlights 2 really important things. 1, the design is epic, meaning people actually enjoy using it. And 2, and this is crucial, it understands how this industry works. It's not some generic business software they've tried to force into this space. It was built for this. And then you get comments like this one. Wow, you can just feel the emotion here. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about quality of life. When a tool removes so much frustration that the reaction is one of pure relief, well, that tells you just how big the original pain point really was. This last quote just wraps it all up in a perfect bow. Finally, a tool built specifically for us. That's the secret sauce, right? It's the power of being a specialized tool combined with being all-in-one. Everything you need, media kits, your deal pipeline, payments, it's all there, together in one place that actually looks good. Okay, so we've looked at the problem, the platform, and the proof from real agencies. Let's pull this all together and give our final verdict on the July OS. So who is this actually for?
It is a slam dunk for creator agencies and talent managers, anyone who's managing a roster of talent. It's built to help you scale. On the flip side, who is it not for? If you're a solo creator just managing your own brand deals, this is probably way more than you need. And because it's a professional grade tool, you can expect professional grade pricing. It's really an investment in your agency's core infrastructure.
So, based on its purpose-built design, its deep understanding of the industry, and its incredible time-saving potential, this platform earns a massive 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's an exceptional tool that really seems to deliver on its promise to bring sanity and scale to modern creator agencies.
And that leaves us with one last question, and this one is for you to think about. After seeing what a system like this can do, you have to ask yourself, is the chaos in your spreadsheets and your inbox the real bottleneck? Is that the only thing holding your agency back from getting to that next level? Definitely something to chew on. Thanks for joining this explainer.